Planners and program managers responsible for implementing HIV and other priority disease programs are required to secure adequate funding for their programs, budget for and allocate resources between interventions, and track actual expenditure. Access to accurate costing data about available financial resources and resource needs, and expenditure data is essential to inform these planning and implementation management processes. Many methodologies and tools have been developed to support costing, resource mapping, and resource needs estimation. It can be quite overwhelming for planners and program managers to figure out which methodology and tool to use given a particular country context. Genesis Analytics has developed a user-friendly guidance for selecting methods and tools for HIV economic studies. This is based on a generic planning cycle, related activities, and information needs. In the rest of the video, we will refer to this guidance document as the guide. The aim of this video is to orientate you regarding the purpose and the functionality of the guide to help you to use the guide effectively. The guide is a PDF soft copy and should not be printed out. For an overview of the guide, start with the table of contents, where you can click on headings to navigate to the desired section. Keep an eye out for navigation prompts throughout the document to navigate to specific sections and essential content. The navigation bar at the bottom of each page offers multiple options for easy movement between sections of the guide. Additionally, underlined text may lead to relevant content or online resources when clicked. Mastering these navigation tools will enhance your experience and help you to find the information you need. The guide follows a step-by-step approach that helps you clarify your specific financial planning information needs and ultimately helps you select the most fit-for-purpose method and tool to use to address those needs. The guide refers to and describes 19 of the most widely used methodologies and tools for costing, resource needs estimation, and related studies. There are 4 steps in this process. In step 1, you identify where you are on the financial planning cycle and what your decision-making and information needs are. Here you will clarify exactly what information you are hoping to obtain from the research and its intended use. In step 2, you are guided to select the most appropriate research questions and the related study type. Step 3 assists you to review and confirm whether the study approach for the selected study type is appropriate and will help address your information needs. Lastly, step 4 guides you to review and select the appropriate tool to use. Once you complete the process, you can navigate to more detailed descriptions of each tool in the annexures, with links to download the tools, user manuals, or documented use cases. You can also find some key practical considerations and suggested next steps to set your study in motion towards the end of the guide. The guidance will be updated periodically to keep it up to date and relevant. We encourage you to download the guide by visiting the Genesis Analytics website. Costing is a team effort, so we encourage you to share this guidance with your colleagues and networks to support the broader initiative to improve the design and implementation of costing and other economic studies. Look out for a second instructional video which will unpack each of the 4 steps referred to in this video in detail.